To make Ghanaian okra stew, first wash your hands. Then pour chopped tinned tomatoes into a casserole dish. Add tomato puree and ginger paste. Then mix it. Peel the papery skin off garlic cloves and pop them in a plastic food bag. If you find this tricky, ask a grown-up to help you. Now carefully cut the ends off long shallots, peel off the skin and add them to the bag. Give them a bash with a rolling pin to crush them up. Remember, you can wash the bag out to use it again. Tip the crushed garlic and shallots into the dish and give it another mix. Next, make a layer of baby spinach leaves like this on top of the other ingredients. Then carefully cut the tops off okra, chop into small pieces and sprinkle into the dish. Now add hot paprika to cooked chopped chicken. Ask a grown-up to cook and cool the chicken for you beforehand. Grind in 4 to 5 twists of black pepper and mix it again. Tip the chicken into the casserole dish and spread it out evenly. Add stock powder to a jug of warm water and you've guessed it, mix it. Then pour all over the other ingredients. Pop the lid on and ask a grown-up to put it in the oven for you. When the Ghanaian okra stew is cooked and slightly cooled, it's ready to eat. It looks very colourful and tasty now it's cooked, and all the flavours have mixed together beautifully. This is a My World Kitchen green recipe that can be eaten often.